Okay, so we're here today for Wrath of Rakshasa. I'm here with Tony Clark, the spokesperson here at Great America. This is my first ride, and yeah, this is going to be the steepest dive coaster, also the most inversions on any dive coaster. So let's get it.
You ready?
I'm ready. I've been ready all morning.
See, I like a genuine first-time ride.
This is legit. You're going to get the raw reaction, but the first new coaster here in 6 years, so let's see what we've been building up to.
So we're 180 feet up. 180 feet up. We get to the edge. We're gonna hang here for 3 seconds.
96
and then
degrees.
that 96 degree drop. Here we go.
Oh! God.
Implement.
Graying out over here.
Dive loop.
Oh my goodness. Here we go.
Hardline roll.
Oh, into the turn. It's like an underflip.
How about another one?
Another one. You see the barrel roll.
Oh, hey, how about another one?
Oh man. Ooh, little pop there. Oh. And that is the ride. That is quick and intense.
Did you feel the wrath?
I feel the wrath.
That is
man.
the wrath.
So that is Wrath of Rakshasa. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, consider liking it. If you want to see more roller coaster content like this, consider subscribing. My name's John.
And I'm Tony.
You've been watching Midcourse Discourse, and I'll see you next time.